I'm going to show you how to create an email sequence in Apollo.io. So first, log into Apollo.io account. Locate on the left panel, Sequence tab under Engage. So we find the Sequence tab. Under the directory, the Sequence dashboard. Click on Create Sequence button on the top right corner. For example, let's choose from scratch. Add the sequence name MySequence. Description sequence, for example. The description here. So first schedule is normal business hours, and you can create this create email sequence. You can add a step here, example automatic email, and add your email type outreach, and the tone is default. So click on generate preview, and this is how to add in sequence. You can also add context over. In sequence here. Select my list here and right here, paths and contacts. So this is pretty much it, guys. You can also create a sequence from AI. Let's create a sequence from AI and set a context center. So this is how to create a group. You can also choose a template from this available. So this is template. At least customers can use templates. So this is really ready to use email sequence templates in Apollo.io. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.